some news to break, that our team will go or they'll stay. We can't take this season, football uncertainty. Please give us the answers we seek. We need some retortion, or even a tweet that the Chargers will stay in SD. We all feel so empty, oh, and teamless, but maybe the league will deny the move.
Hi, my name is Mara Siglaughlin. Please say you will be the answer for these suffering fans. Because the Spanos family pulling a Brett Favre and not making a final decision of whether staying or going, these lost Charger fans need your help. Just look at these videos. So sad. Please, let yourself be filled by the emotions of my voice and pick up the phone and dial the number on your screen. Or go online to sobitcttd.com. Save our bolts. It's the classy thing to do. For your donation of just $20 a month plus tax, you can almost guarantee the Chargers a 45% chance of staying here in San Diego instead of going to Carson, and help Chargers fans like this from suffering. Call in the next 30 minutes and we will send you a picture of a Charger fan you have saved to remind you, hey, make sure you have money on that credit card, and a beautiful tote bag that will let you say in the streets, hey, I am a great person. In fact, I'm better than you. Mara said so. This is your chance to be a Charger fan's hero. See that? Look at the pain in her eyes.
But at least we gotta try. It's a city first, one family. This is straight madness. Oh, can't they just see? Even Rivers said he don't wanna leave. In the
This is just the beginning. If you still don't think this is a problem, just take a look at what's happening in Oakland.
And set cars on fire. Those involved seemed unfazed.
I couldn't tell you if I wanted to. My crazy, I don't know. McDonald's is burning up, McDonald's.
Don't let this happen to San Diego. Pick up the phone now and save a Charger fan today.